Good day, everyone. I'm off to church. I was walking up, I just missed the bus that could have taken me a little bit faster. So I'm just gonna pause here for a second and see if I can see the bus. Nope. Alright, I changed the format of my vlog a little bit. I got tired of putting all the annotations in and everything. Once I get a new computer with a better editing software, what I will do is start editing on that software, and then I can put whatever I want in beforehand every time, every day. But for now, my only option is to keep doing what I'm doing, which takes a while and is annoying. And I don't think right now, with my viewership, I'm not needing to push for more subscriptions. I don't think anyone outside of my current subscribers are watching at all. Anyway, and if they are, links for everything in the description. And I'll just try to remember to say that every day at the end. Links to everything down in the description below. So I've noticed a lot of the vloggers I do watch do put annotations in, but a lot of the other ones don't. Obviously, the ones that don't do, and the ones that do don't. But but yeah, lost my train of thought there. Crossing the street. But anyway, so I figure as long as it's all in the description, I just say links to everything in the description if you want to connect with me or whatever. I don't need to put those in there. Previous day's vlog links in there. I have no idea if anyone's even using that. I like that I figured out how to do it, but I don't need to keep doing it right now. I'm hoping to spread my options away from just vlogging once I get home, get a good computer, game console. I want to do some gaming on some let's plays and some fun gameplay with friends and stuff, and that becomes so much better and only really doable if I have editing software anyways. So yeah, there's a video intro, a long one, 30 seconds long. I have a shorter one, it's only about 12 seconds long, and the outro is about 12 seconds long also. So today you will have already seen the long intro. I will probably occasionally throw the long intro in, and the rest of the time it'll be the short intro. Probably with my longer videos I'll put the short intro and the shorter videos with the long intro, just to try to balance it out a little bit. But there won't be any links in the intro or the outro, at least not right now. So that's me putting you up to speed while I'm walking. Haven't seen the other bus yet, so this was the right choice so far. And at this point, even if it wasn't the right choice, it's not the right choice, but not very much. Alright, now that bit of housekeeping's out of the way, I heard something last night, lots of loud booming noises. I didn't know what it was. There was apparently a demonstration of protesters came out last night protesting the monarchy again with the old republic's, waving the old republic's flag before Franco took over in 1931. There was a very short-lived republic after the previous monarchy, I think. And so they had a flag that was red, yellow, and purple on the bottom instead of red again. And so they're waving those flags around and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm almost to Burger King, or to turn the corner and head directly towards church. It'd be great if I saw bus 11. I'd have to cross the street and get over to the next station stop, which is, I'm not sure where. Yeah, right there. Okay. It'd be good if I saw that because it takes me directly in front of church. But so that's your little bit of Spain history lesson. Top of anything else. After church, I'm gonna go straight away. I think is British English terminology. I'm gonna go straight to Taco Bell for lunch. Yep, I got a bunch of Mario Kart videos downloaded onto my iPad. This is a solid 5 minutes, 6 minutes almost. So I'm gonna see you guys later after church. Hey everybody, I just got out of church. Car wash is running right now at the gas station. It's very loud and it's not as contained as the ones back in the States. So I'm trying to wait till I get past. Okay, quiet it down now. I had a friend offer to drive me to the airport on the 27th. So I'll probably take him up on that. Mainly because it might solve my key problem. Having to drop the key off with somebody. I could probably leave it with him and she'd be fine with that. Probably. I'd have to ask her and see, but it's an idea. Alright, one thing I wanted to add is that today is June 8th. June 8th, 2013, 1 year ago today, I arrived back in Florida. At this time, exactly, I was in New York. So, yeah. And I'm walking over a highway on this narrow bridge, trying to take the bus. And get me some bell. See you later. Well, that explains it. When I came at the metro last week that one time, and I was running, trying to catch bus 53, and it didn't stop when I was waiting for it, because that wasn't a bus stop for 53. It was only for 43, even though 53 goes right past it. So that explains that. Almost home. I'm gonna sit here and wait on the bus, and that's it. Hey guys, I'm just talking with my friends on Skype. You're hearing voices and laughing. They're playing Mario Kart. So I'm watching them play Mario Kart. I got that on mute now, they can't hear me. I decided to put it on mute and just close out my vlog for today. So it's a nice day, didn't do a lot. So now I'm going to close out the vlog. I'm going to say, if you not in contact with me in some form and you want to stay in contact, or subscribe, see yesterday's video, all that stuff, links will be in the description below. No longer will it be on the end slate at the end of the video. There won't be any links in annotation form. They're just all going to be in the links down below. So I'm going to say goodnight and see you guys tomorrow.